Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Love Celebrities 2 and today's video presents the top 10 pretty Indian love stars. So let's start the show. Number 10. Megha Gupta was born on 2nd September 2005, age 21, her ethnicity is Indian. Number 9. Nivedita Karmakar was born on 5th February 2006, age 20, her ethnicity is Indian. Number 8. Mishti Basu was born on 8 January 2005, age 21, her ethnicity is Indian. Number 7. Prajakta Rushani was born on 21st March 2007, age 19, her ethnicity is Indian. Number 6. Abha Paul was born on 15 May 2004, age 22, her ethnicity is Indian. Number 5. Arshi Khan was born on 23rd July 2007, age 19, her ethnicity is Indian. Number 4. Riddhima Tiwari was born on 7 December 2007, age 19, her ethnicity is Indian. Number 3. Anna Litme was born on 26 April 2004, age 22, her ethnicity is Indian. Number 2. Rekha Mona. Number 1. Aisha Kapoor.